Hello world, new things of 16-17 season. Today in the lens of our camera is Blizzard, new series, a whole new series, Quattro. All other things is nearly without changes, it remains the same, or I have already told you about this. I honestly don't remember what was replaced by this new series, but the thing about this series is what this ski is for carving and prepared slopes in every manifestation in Blizzard vision. Local and logically all line is divided on 3 groups. Let's talk about them in order to these groups. First group is 2 models, RS and RX. The difference is what this is a quite like skis, but this one have narrow waist of 69 and this have wider waist 84 waist. This is a carved universal ski, the wider carved ski with high possibility and only carved with average radius. Very dynamical ski. By feelings this ski is very interesting. Bouncing skis have a fences tip that helps to increase the edge working area, the edge working length. How it works, it should be tested on snow, because if a narrow version, I understand what it gives, and it gives more stability and better edge grip, but when a wider ski, wider model, in universal model, it can reduce the possibility in working on a smashed slope. Once again, it should be tested on snow. There is a double deck on these models. Blizzard has been trying to do this for a long time. Moreover, the skis don't have any shock absorber. Next models are skis of categories the carbon or the titanium. Skis this titanium is represented in waist of 69 and 84, 74 and 80. Carbon is 74 and 80. Difference is weight and stiffness. The radiuses of the skis is quite light, in range of 15-16 meters. It's not a slalom, it's not a giant, it's average. This radius allows you to ride with comfort for a long time. Which model to choose? This is the real question. Of course, skis with a waist of 80, it's more universal ski with high possibility. Maybe on some smash slope with soft snow. Narrow skis, they more for carving. What to choose, carbon or titanium? It's a question for everyone. It's a personal question because it's impossible to test these skis right there and say what is better, titanium or carbon. Specialists of this company tells us what for different skiers, different skis, and everyone have to choose skis for themselves. I personally don't know how to choose the skis because this actually don't my category. For better possibility, I'd better take free ride skis or even twin tip Cyrus from Blizzard, maybe Gunsmoke. The skis is good and fun. In the last season I like them, and this season they remains the same. Nowadays we falling into trends of everyday riding, in trends of tests, and we thinking about how skis is act on the slope and how they act in riding. That's all about the Quattro line from Blizzard. Search for more information on our website. I will go to test. Do not miss this test. Subscribe to channel, follow us on social media. See you on slope. Goodbye.